Common HVAC design formulas. Part 1. Cooling and heating equations. Link in description. If you want PDF file, please click below link given in description. 1. Cooling and heating equations. Sensible heat. HS equals CP asterisk rho asterisk Q asterisk T. Latent heat. HL equals C1 asterisk rho asterisk Q asterisk W. Total heat. HT equals rho asterisk Q asterisk H. Sensible heat ratio. Shore equals HS/HT. Where HS equals sensible heat, kW. HL equals latent heat, kW. HT equals total heat, kW. T equals temperature difference, degree K. Q equals air volume flow, m3/s. Rho equals density of air, 1.202 kg/m3. Where Cp equals specific heat of air, 1.0 kj/kg.K. C1 equals air latent factor, a typical value 3010. W equals humidity ratio difference, kg water/kg dry air. H equals enthalpy difference, kj/kg. Shore equals sensible heat ratio. Sensible heat. HS equals 1.085 times CFM times T. Latent heat. HL equals 0.68 times CFM times WGR equals 4840 times CFM times WLB. Total heat. HT equals 4.5 times CFM times H. Sensible heat ratio. Shore equals HS/HT. In IP units. Where HS equals sensible heat, BTU/HR. HL equals latent heat, BTU/HR. HT equals total heat, BTU/HR. T equals temperature difference, degree F. WGR equals humidity ratio difference, GRH2O/LB.D. WLB equals humidity ratio difference, LB.H2O/LB.D. H equals enthalpy difference, BTU/LB.D. CFM equals airflow rate, cubic feet per minute. Shore equals sensible heat ratio. In IP units. Thanks for watching.